Today, we're making honey butter toast. If you're looking for the best brunch treat to make, then you have to try making this. The outside of the toast is hard and sugary, while the inside is soft and fluffy. Served with a scoop of vanilla ice cream and fresh berries, this sweet treat is insanely good. It's perfect for brunch on special occasions, holidays, or just to share a sweet treat with someone special. So, let's get cooking. We'll start with the bread. We're using a braided brioche. This bread is super light and fluffy inside. We'll take the loaf and cut it into about 4-inch cubes. We'll use a knife to trim all the sides so that it's a flat-sided cube. Next, we'll prep the butter spread. We'll use 1 stick of room temperature butter into a bowl, then a 1/4 cup of coarse brown sugar, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Then mix this all together into a paste. Using a knife, we'll spread this butter onto all but the bottom face of the cubed bread. This will caramelize and harden in the oven. Once all 5 faces of the bread have been covered, we can put this into a baking sheet and into an oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. While we wait, we can dice our strawberries and prep our blueberries. Feel free to enjoy this with other toppings, of course. After 10 minutes, we can remove the pan and transfer the toast carefully from the first tray to a new tray. If you have a baking rack, you don't have to do this, so long as you let the toast bake on the rack. This transfer is just because some of our butter mixture oozed onto the tray. Bake in the oven for another 5 to 8 minutes, or until the toast hits a golden brown. Once done, we'll remove from the oven, and then transfer onto a cooling rack. Let the toast fully cool before trying to move or eat. The sugar will harden once it fully cools down. We can then take our hardened butter toast and plate it up. We'll add a scoop of vanilla ice cream, some strawberries, and some blueberries. And boom, we just made the best honey butter toast. I'm telling you, each bite of this is both crunchy, sugary, chewy, and creamy all in the same bite. It's insanely good and is so simple to make. You can of course have this with other toppings like caramel and other fruits. Brunch doesn't have to be hard to make, and this treat is a dish you gotta try making at least one time. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.